NDC TikToker GhKoose abe clash John Mahama and this guy will tell him say His Excellency a failure to this country. And that's of course I didn't GhKoose e kada nsem no. Ono abetire mu no akere wadwen e de amame. E wo comment section. I PENYAH block media. Mess say ni di mu. Obe like if video on my subscribe button, sabe click benefication corner phrases. Update abetire wadwen de amame. E wo comment section. Oba so a no she force enya bia hwe. You know, empenifo say anu a ye de bosian. Medofo enya no na dutu e. Politicians so mu pet to me a bosha ya be hye mo no ye weni abana forget it clash you only one million you know okay opa next for them to man nya wasem emfa no ho kra emfa no was obedi sika 4 years titia na okofi obo no bra okọ onfa ho anu adeje bosian enya no na ditua edi politicians they in there be o ye twa trochira Ghana for no na be kai ko election mu no His Excellency John Mahama she Ghana for no bono bebrebe ogaso ba pedai cement obete so amabegina a fixed price of 30 cedis per bag bebe sina ye hu hwe obe sure automatic posting to nurses said ye nyom nurses for esin soon or Ghana hanomo no enye easy.
It is already sad on a level that we've stayed in the house for a very long time. It is already sad on that level. So if you know you're not ready to post us, why open the portals? Or why come and give us high hopes that you want to post us? One post is, and who conditions be brave? Our seniors postings didn't go on like this. It was so smooth. You come and sit on stations. The minister come and sit on stations and be saying, this is my one number posting. Yeah, you said you will take us to the villages. We said, okay, no problem. We will go. We will do the work. After posting, never. Your postings need view once. Human being will not sleep. Human being will go through stress. We will buy bundles upon bundles because we know you people. Anything that has to do with portal, you find ways and means. Like maybe you don't have internet connection. Maybe you don't have bundle. You people should use laptop. We've made sure we got all the requirements. Some of us have to even go to stuff borrowing laptops. People have to go and buy laptops just for this recruitment process. Why did they even change the recruitment process in the first place?
Recruitment now and be a portal for it was the most scam recruitment ever happened in this country. Recruitment as the most dumbest and the most scam recruitment that's in the course of ever in the history of Ghana. The most fracadam posting and the course of Nancy. Even Ghana had that. Just a boss chance mo share yeah. Anyhow, when you must inquire about petrol, you better so I'm better perform. But over currency and buy a petrol and a fair me petrol boy a cost say petrol I call them 15 cities any meanwhile. MPP government either kunya name Mahama 6 January 2025 no. That petrol either 14 point something. I was 14 column. But then you better you know cost dollar to by form. They say dollar was 11.75. Got 12 cities. Just say Boshan so just a Ghana for me be any same one ba mu ya no. Ene ne mfa. Ene na end is communicator baako. GhKoose when this TikToker. In fact, only nyansa na adwumu da ho. O se ye kire Ghana, ye kire party. E to obetire nsi, wo kire se Mahama sebe. His Excellency o ye failure. Mahama ye failure to this country.
Muma President John Mahama. Until I say we fail the second time we. He is a failure. That is the fact. Because ultimately for road that way and for no excuse. It's a lie. That is your responsibility as a governor. As a governor, that is your responsibility. Your responsibility say obey your road. That is your responsibility. It won't mean for road big push and find no excuse. That is your responsibility. Ultimately for hospitals and schools are woozy and find no excuse. That is your responsibility as a governor. Some road now oh yeah no MPP ayebi. School no MPP SCB. Hospitals MPP SCB. So what is your problem? What is your problem? Actually, what is your problem? You are a failure. What failure? To be on country wa me ko se me catch what failure? What in a classroom? Maybe say 1+1 ASN. What say you 3? What failure and own failure? Who opposition? What's a what power? Obey 24 hours economy am Ghana for. Oba ya won ye. What failure and own failure? What failure? You are a failure. You are a typically failure. What failure? What failure totally? That is the fact. Now, Mahama yadio, young bona basso, young bona basso, tatem, young pussy Mahama tatem, Uncle tatem, Uncle tatem. Jana wire road. It's a wound felly. Mahama yadio, ye wire, ye one tatem, Uncle tatem, and then a wire with hospital. Mahama yadio, ye wire. Woman got tatem, and then all your big push. Ah, now when I get to 10 people on your road, when I get to 10 people in hospitals, when I get to 10 people, start big push on your be. And so can afford echo about Tiano. I didn't tell you to near to my yet. What say your Bob Rabaya, Denimaya, or the Faha, we young first, why are they? We are seriously. We are position, what say your Bob? Nurses been near to my teachers been near to my one papa will be at it. 24 hours economy policy, 1 year. What's a young boy abaso? What's a young boy about your more term, Ben? Term, what they quay? Term, no, they quay. 8 years a cry, 8 years, 1 year, now 4 years, no baby. 8 years, no baby, no. Oh, policy back, crowd about 1 year. Now 4 years, now, young family, no baby. Woman, get it. What about power inflations were down? And so they're not wiring. Who are power inflations were down? And so young card here. 2024, I say, economy me say, economy more yet, you know, not Ghanaian citizens of Kulana woman comprehensive and tower more there. But what none boy yet said, then Kulana. And she say, Ben MPP and the MPP 2024. What would you go or come on and your boy yet, but not staying another motor? No inflations are caught up, but still no motor there. But won't care about power, inflations are bad down, but still no near boy wedding. Still I am tired yet. Yeah, I was a mammy and cat. Yeah, see, young tired yet. Mr. President, yes, say young tired yet for one name go from. For one name go from. That is my problem. Bring the 24 hours economy. So one fast out 24 hours economy number. Ye. And into the meeting at 2 about now. It's me one right to say maybe shout. Forgetting your people account. You who be I. What are you saying? Yamina mess so yamina meditate so. Diana why yam my Ghana yaba best so. Dear Pan to second coming of President John Mahama yam my Ghana. Yaba bona basi ya best son so. Tienio. Tia some way. Obia tenase. Aya Global Institute of Mines and Safety Atenase. Aka say bia wo pe mines adwumaye. Ana wo pe construction adwumaye. Wo pe se wuchi excavator, but wo ni mitwi a. Ma bia school. Enti wo ye Ghana ni a. Bra na benya ntete ye pa e wo mi school no. Na wo school ni mu a. Opportunities betimi aba. To say mines opportunity beba. To say construction work opportunity beba. No work kuchi excavator or mines. And work kuchi excavator or road so. Into open titia brana besia. You see this kind of brilliant. We're creating jobs. We're creating in Sanuma. Eh, my gun and Libya, why not against over betray excavator? And was also the one more number can. Say number in into whopa. For number no, not more information for more. Ghana near tenacity. Agency say a passe, and you work command Ghana as a president, the NSS was away. And Sasa obey 24 hours economy policy, no, and Sasa what the baba. No be obekwa aye Global Institute of Mines and Safety, no. O kosien wi a no wa ba be ye adwuma no 24 hours economy nim. No wa ba be ye. You are a failure. You are a failure. Mr. President, so far as I won 24 hours economy, you are a failure. You are a failure. What failure? Because 1 + 1 is 2, and yet 3. Say your 2 BCC, your trust said, did President John Mahama do 24 hours economy? Yes or no? What you see, yes, sir. What failure? What you see, no, you are correct because on yay.
John Mahama was the son Niama sister. Okay. As compared to MPP. Okay. I said John Mahama no grand Oban obey day. I know catch. And the catcher and say, Wako Oba Ochem Messiah. And Yakufu do na and neck. But 2 out in his assuming I say, all them Mahama Mamuno. What who say? Mahama day. I get it. And I'm wa. And I'm not here. And Yaje. John Mahama Bayano. Wama youth no. And everybody is busy. And this is what I would say. Maybe free club.
According to Amaro Shako, ni video Obi Kase President John Mahama ebayi Wama enyomamu asesa youth no enye adwumaye. This is the kind of people say yewo womo ewo Ghana ha. Asa aban no tosima because of the selfishness, because of the personal interest inti. Ono kwenya bidini die eye. This is the kind of people sir yewo womo ewo Ghana ha because of the self-interest, the selfishness, and because of the personal interest, and because of onu kwenya bidini die eye. Yet Ghana ha yentre a single person President John Mahama baye yentwe adwuma ba ko wotimi be create Ediama Ghanaian youth say womunye a wotimi anya kukuduro ka say President John Mahama the second coming way why pray youth na nya adwuma ye Amaro Shako atimi anya kukuduro atwa se me deba eyema Amaro Shako adenti na eyema no because onya bidi say yesi ye ma ye ho kwan na NDC government aboaye me ya meti he ya say me se me ma me ho kwan na NDC government aboa me a na ka wonim ni ame wo so obi ba abontin be ka kire say NDC ba power ye won kofuo bi wo ho a wo mu make effort say womo ba beboa me a it's a lie. Ye won kofuo bi wo ho a womo make effort a womo pese womo boa me. But me pete me kan kurenti no. I will never allow myself for anybody to help me. Me pese me ankasa me viewers no eboa me. Me pese me viewers for no eboa me automatically. Until the more we share me video, the more I will share, the more like o comment no. Na me mani age, na me nya gidie, enya confidence wo ne ame yenim. President John Mahama ne second coming no. E de na wa enchese ye be na wa ye de agu ha ma youth. 24 hours economy policy ni kro nye. Petrol no oba be fa no 14.2 petrol. Dollar no oba be fa no 14.3 dollar. Na kufu adu Germany sa 2022 na ay dollar no any petrol no na MPP amambuom no na petrol ni nam 17 to 18 cedis. Dollar no so ni nam 17 to 18 cedis. By year 2023-2024 no MPP government jinyama pa egu akwamu ema dollar ni CD no dollar no any petrol ni so teye ema dollar yes dollar basen dollar about 14.2 fuel basen fuel bon 14.3 or 14.2 and will be Jayma President John Mahama and will Jayma NDC government into no way crash I say NDC government in bar power and near my coffin no way crash I say a young people for near my power dear woo come and muntin to me my NDC bar with that Jessica no about to 10 near my show it's I didn't train any of my air cost. Inflations were down by entirely. Yan share video.
Senior Abadada, why was saying your man? I fancy Mahama yede. SCC. I return sin anywhere. Yes, sir, Joy, and Toshi. I know their minim, sir. Minim, dainty, yes, sir. Yen Toshi. It's me, Bessie, job at Navy Musa. Yen Toshi, no Marco.
Why don't I enter? Yes, it's no about
phone by so you're entitled. Oh, and say, we emphasize be a scan any crew, scan any you.
Scan the group. That's gonna go in front. Now, who President Mama Juma? Oh, President Mama, the way Jumo. Or chassis. Or chassis. Then why are almost a week? Yeah, a coin, why I was starting a coin. Why, why, Juma? To send your face. Near my boy Eddie. They say, my own say, about from the entire day. You entirely. I didn't cross it. But abandoned on a tardy. Oh, I know me who a be about that and me. You entered in a man's boy at you. You entered in a man's boy at you. And see, ever said, Senior Abadada, why was saying your man?
Yen tosso. Oh, can't you cry yen talk? Hey, sister, what you would time possible bass yen talk because who can't cry? Yen talk. Oh, besides, say, and you my banner President John Mahama by your dear big work, we saw you rude. Right, Cassie and Penny. Oh, who say you Kogari? Oh, who said go be? Road, the one you catch yourself, right? Who your president now? Oh, banner, who you road that? And news. And the road the MPP and Koyebi. Who your president now? Banner, who you road that? Ghana near what you moon daho when ninte president Abano you road that. And you would the so you road. No, who for one you road. No, who for one you change. What's a young tardy? Yanto. Because some people time, then you my boy the baneto. Who press over can correct? Young tardy. The whole Ghana or be a company say young tardy. I didn't tell a young tardy. Because I did for young can correct. Young when this young can correct. I didn't hear cry, you say, yeah. And so one Cassia who Cassia wouldn't me say. Adieni yen tadie amara sako nim say Ghana na ye din yen tadie amara sako no onim say President John Mahama ba ye no onfo bibia special bia meka ho ye amara sako nim but because of the self interest and the personal interest inti on kan correct
Chere wa adwen fuma me e wo comment. You didn't say what GhKoose or Becca. Do you have something to say? What is your take on this issue? Share for good comment section on for me. Hi PENYAH Media. Accra.